Make you feel lucky, lucky. Make you wanna love me, love me. Baby, when you're with me. Got no worries, worries. I love it when you
Dear Lavish,
touch me.
I love
That is
you.
so lovely, lovely. Make me wanna love me, love me. Make me feel lucky, lucky.
Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be creating a very easy to accomplish neutral eyeshadow look today using the Juvia's Place mini eyeshadow palette in the chocolates. Right off back when opening this palette, I noticed the two different but very close shades of brown in the top left and top right corners, and I just thought that was a bit of a waste since they could have replaced one of these colors with something else, but it's all good. I'm sure I can still use them both. So I'm going to start with this beige shade to use as a transition shade on my eyelid, and I'm going to apply that right onto my eyelid above the crease. I noticed that it didn't show as heavy as I would have liked, but after going over it multiple times, it finally started to show through. So next I went in with this lighter brown color and I just applied it right over the beige color and right above it. When using darker colors like this or colors that are close to the skin tone, you want to be sure not to go too high up to the brow because that's just not cute and you don't want that raccoon eyeshadow look. So now I'm going in with this darker brown on the left hand side, and I'm going to kind of pat that right into my crease, being a bit more heavier on the inner crease and on the outer crease. This creates that halo effect that I'm trying to transition into. So then I grabbed my blending brush and just blended the outer parts of that dark brown eyeshadow. You want to soften this look a little because you want it to look natural and you don't want those hard lines. Alright, so now I'm going to use my Fenty concealer in the color of N45, and I'm just going to apply a little bit to the center of my eyelid. It's completely fine if you mess up a little because you're going to go back in with that darker brown and you're going to blend it into that so it doesn't have to be perfect. Then I grabbed my blending brush again and I smoothed it out. Of course, anytime I use concealer, I follow it with my Laura Mercier translucent powder so that it can set. So you just want to dust off any excess that occurs from this step. So now I'm going back in with that dark brown, like I said, to blend it and make it transition smoothly. On my center eyelid, I'm going to use this shimmery beige color, and I just grabbed a flat brush to pat it right into the center. Going back in now to just blend it, make sure it all looks smooth. And that's all, guys. Put on some liner and your lashes and you are good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and we'll chat soon. Bye.